plenty in southeastern Texas until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:49 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ostonio, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crockett, Ostonio, Grapeland, and Latexville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas. The current time is 4:52 p.m. Central Standard Time. You're listening to NOAA, All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KWN34, serving the Palestine listening area.